welcome to Crafternoon. My name is Jackie and I work at the Incline Village Library. Today I'll be sharing with you a fun, colorful paper spinner toy. And I'd like to thank teachbesideMe.com for providing a fun and engaging craft. How it works: when we are done, you will be able to have it spin and you can see how it twirls. Let's go ahead and go over the materials. You will need 8 strips of paper. The length is 10.5 to 11 inches in length. It's about a 1/2 inch in the width, and you'll need 4 circles, all of the same size, paper circles. You will want some scissors, a wooden skewer, a glue stick, and I'm going to be using a hot glue gun. I'm going to use a strip of paper to protect my surface as I add glue. Let's go ahead and begin by taking our first circle, and we're going to add glue to one side. All right. We will grab our first strip and we're going to place it over the circle, but we want to have it a little bit halfway, like so. Okay, and add some more glue. And our next strip, a little bit more than halfway over. Right, add some more glue. And I just line it up with those other strips. The next one. Perfect. So now you have your first 4 layers down. I like to rotate it, and then I add some more glue to the center. I take my 5th strip and I just place it through the space and line it up again, just a little more than halfway from the center. Okay, another strip on the other side. Perfect. And then I rotate it. I find that it's just easier and makes the lines a little bit cleaner. And right, now we have one more. Add glue right on top of that pink strip. Perfect. Okay, so now you have all 8 strips glued on. Okay, so it should be looking like this. Going to take our second circle and we're going to glue it to the top. Okay, just like so. Go ahead and grab your third circle and glue one side. And I'm going to go ahead and take the strip closest to me and just kind of flip it up and lay it again, a little more than halfway. I'm going to add some glue to the top of that, top of the yellow strip, and then I'm going to take that strip in front of the one I just glued on and layer it on top. Okay, and then I'm going to rotate it again and work these next 2 strips, and then rotate it again until all of the strips are glued onto the circle. Okay. All right, so once all the strips are now glued, we'll take our final circle and we'll glue it to the top. And there we go. So once that's done, it should be looking like this. Next, we're going to add our wooden skewer, and we're going to pierce these 2 holes from the bottom and then through the top. But I find that the skewer is not quite sharp enough to pierce the strips of paper that we glued. So there's 2 ways that you can make a little hole. One is by using, if you have some really sharp pointy scissors, you can go ahead and wedge a hole through the middle. I like to take my 2 fingers and put them on the bottom and create a little bit of space so when my scissor comes through the middle, it's not going to poke my fingers. So you may want to have an adult do this. Perfect. There we go. And now you have a hole. If you don't want to do it that way, and you don't have those type of scissors, you have some regular larger size scissors, go ahead and take that circle and fold it like a taco, like so. And we're going to cut in the middle just a tiny little sliver. Okay, just like that. You can go ahead and bend it out. And now we can add our skewer. So I'll go from the bottom right through there. There. Okay, perfect. I like to move this down a little bit. Okay, and here's where the hot glue comes in. I'm going to be using hot glue, but of course you can use this multi-purpose glue, and we're going to glue the top of the circle on the skewer and then the inside. Okay, that way it grips and it's sturdy and it doesn't move. And now the outside. You can cut the top part of this skewer off if it's just a little too sharp, or if you have a pom-pom or some paper, you can glue that over the top. But I'm just gonna add hot glue. And there we have it. And we're gonna go ahead and let this dry. And once it's dry, it will look something like this. And you can go ahead and have fun twirling it. Your kids will love it. Thank you for joining me today with Crafternoon. And if you liked this craft and want to find more projects, go ahead and visit our website at washoucountylibrary.us and our Facebook page. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.